What? We got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have another delivery from MidwayUSA. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. MidwayUSA. You know what? So let's go ahead and get this open. Do I have an opening device handy? I just have to use those. Let's get you out of the way too. Thank you. Bunch of these things. I don't know if we got a manifest or not. So toss these aside. Nope. Alright, so luckily I took some notes. Let's just start off with the closest stuff here. We just happen to have these in stock, and I don't always come across these, so I decided to pick up some Hornady cartridge cases. These are premium brass, uniform concentricity, precision manufactured, hand inspected. So these is just basic cases, no primer, no powder, no bullet. In 303 British, 50 per pack, 2 packs, so 100 of these. They've got that lovely empty brass sound. And go ahead and set these aside. Alright, next, let's see what we got here. Shall we do the small one or the big one? Let's do the small one. It's just easier. These should be Czech M95 shoulder pads, grade 2 camo. I'm not sure why they're grade 2. They look pretty new to me. Maybe they are grade 2. Yeah, the labels look very crisp. You can see that. Other side. Should be likewise the same. Oh yeah, same position. I want to put these on some web gear. See how this all lines up here. Okay. Next will be the last item. Let's get the box out of the way. I guess we keep these right up here. And this, I'll just read off the label. Military surplus Swiss M90 Rucksack. Bag with a taped top here. Got the scissors again. Get under this tape loop. Get out of the bag. Alright, so Swiss M90 rucksacks, rubberized all around. Quite wide. You can see we have a pad here for the back. You can see that this is actually molded into this rubberized surface. Care instructions. Text. spot for your name. A carrying handle up here, reinforcements across the flap, plastic buckles. So I get them to release. There we go. Open the flap. Let's see this internal buckle here. Got two side flaps I can connect to help keep the inside a little bit more covered and dry. On the inside we have this. So this is a drawstring top to form a dry bag as well. And then inside of here is the actual large area. Looks like we've got a carrying strap to carry this as a shoulder bag, and there are no other internal pockets that I can feel. Here's some reinforcement. You can see here it's actually quite stiff. Rivet points. Try not to miss any details, but it's a little dark. So bottom kind of tapers to the bottom. So if you can see here, this is how wide the bottom is. And it doesn't feel reinforced. This pad is actually on the back side, or the side facing your back. Again, here are the buckles for the flap. We tuck in the dry bag portion. There's multiple cross flaps here on the side. This can then connect here, and then this can then connect here and here. If I get this right, come on. How do I do this? Like, alright, I'm getting this wrong here. Ah, here they are. Okay, so then this will connect to something else. Okay, so this can form pack straps like this. Right? Oh. Oops, still missing. There. Okay, so these will come around. Which direction? This is kind of throwing me off here a little bit. Let's see here. Am I aiming this the right direction? Sure looks like it. Something like that. This, perhaps. Not 100% sure how this would go. Something's not right here. I'll figure it out eventually. Just want to show you what's actually what. And what are those others? This connector here. Yeah, I'm going to have to puzzle this out. But we also have this. This is what we're missing here. Okay, so this could connect to these. Get this to move. Okay, something like that. This to connect onto there. Okay. And these can connect down to here. Okay. We're learning. these are your pack straps. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. I do believe then that these can go in a different direction. Like so. So this can actually be used to bind other equipment. That makes a lot more sense. So, alright. So that's what our intuition has led us to. Any other connecting points? I think we'll stop right there. This might be a waist strap, but except they don't connect. So what would these connect to? That I'm not 100% sure. So leave a comment if you know what these connect to, or if I botched up the connectors around here at some point. So actually some more cross straps here to bind other equipment. We do have these side pockets here, these retention straps on the flap. And that one, check. Nope. Empty. Alright, so working our way backwards. Swiss M90 pack or rucksack. These have Czech M95 shoulder pads, grade 2. So these are practically new. And we'll start off with a couple of packs of 303 brass from Hornady. These all came from MidwayUSA. Feel free to check them out at MidwayUSA. You know what? They have a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics, as well as a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.